Okay, so you guys were given this worksheet to complete at home, and now I'm about to go over it. So it says evaluate each expression. W equals 5, X equals 3, Y equals 4, and Z equals 8. So the first thing I'm going to do is see what operation I'm doing. I see 9x, so I know that when a number is next to a variable like this, I know I'm doing multiplication. Now, I see what x is. X equals 3, so I just replace x with 3. And then I do 9 times 3, which is 27. Alright, for number 2, we have 3w plus 6 divided by 2x. So the first thing I'm going to do is replace all these two variables, w and x, and also write in that operation. So 3w means 3 times w plus 6 divided by 2 times x. Now I'm going to replace my variables with the numbers. So I have 3 times w is 5 plus 6 divided by 2 times x equals 3. So now I do my order of operations. You should write it down on the side. Should have did it for the first one. P-E-M-D-A-S. So we don't have any parentheses. We don't have any exponents. We do have multiplication. Multiplication comes up here first. So I do 3 times 5, which is 15. Plus 6 divided by 2 times 3. The next operation I'm going to do is this 2x right here. So 2 times 3 is 6. And then I'm going to bring everything else down. The next operation I do is division. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. And I just bring down 15. And then 15 plus 1 gives me 16. Alright, for number 3, we have w to the power of 2 plus 2 plus 48 divided by 2x. So w is 5. So here I have 5 squared plus 2 plus 48 divided by 2, and x equals 3. Okay, it's closer so you guys can see. Alright, so we have an exponent here. I do my exponent first. So exponent means, oh sorry, not exponent. To the power of 2 means I multiply 5 twice. So I have 5 times 5, which gives me 25. So I put 25 here. And then I rewrite everything else. The next thing I do is do 2 times 3. So the first thing we're going to do is rewrite everything else. 25 plus 2 plus 48 divided by, and then 2 times 3 is 6. So now I have 25 plus 2 plus 48 divided by 6. So the next operation I do is 48 divided by 6, which is 8. So I'll put an 8 here. Then I'm just going to rewrite everything else. Now here is just addition straight across. So 25 plus 2 is 27. And then plus 8 is 35. So you should have got 35 for number 3. For number 4, again, rewriting the variables and replacing them with their actual number. So x to the third power is 3 to the third power plus 5 times y equals 4 divided by w equals 5 plus z first thing we do is exponents, 3 to the power of 3. So that means I'm multiplying 3 by itself 3 times. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is then 27. So 3 to the power of 3 is 27. Oh. Try to use a different color. Alright, 27 plus 5 times 4 divided by 5 plus, oh, forgot I was supposed to replace z. Z is 8. Alright, so next here, according to my order operations, I do 5 times 4. So I'm just going to rewrite 27 plus 5 times 4, 5, 10, 15, 20. 5 times 4 is 20. Divide that by 5 plus 8. So the next operation I'm going to do is division. So I'm going to do 20 divided by 5. So I'm going to bring down to 27. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Plus 8. So now that I just have straight addition, I'm just going to add it. So 27 plus 4 equals 31. And 31 plus 8 gives us 39. So you should add 39 for number 4. Alright, for number 5, we have 9y divided by x plus z squared minus w. Again, I'm going to replace all of my variables with the number. So we have 9 times y, which is 4, divided by x, which equals 3, plus z squared, z equals 8 to the second power, minus w, which equals 5. I'm going to do my exponent first here. So I'm going to rewrite everything else. 9 to the power of 4 divided by 3 plus, let's see, do it to the side. We have 8 squared, which means 8 times 8, which gives me 64. So I replace this 8 to the second power with 64, and I subtract 5. The next operation I'm going to do is multiply 9 times 4. And 9 times 4 is, who can tell me? It's a video, you can't tell me. It's 36. So 36 divided by 3 plus 64 minus 5. The next operation I'm going to do is 36 divided by 3, which gives me 12. And then I'm going to rewrite everything else. Since I don't have addition and subtraction, I'm going to do addition first, because that's set first. So 12 plus 64, 76, minus 5. And then we have 76 minus 5, which gives me 71. So for number 5, you should have got 71. I hope I don't run out of time. Alright, so number 6, we have x to the power of 2 plus 4w minus 2y divided by z. So you know what we're going to do first. We're going to replace everything. So that's 3 squared. Messing everything up. Plus 4 is 5 minus 2, 4 divided by 8. So you know we do our exponent first. 3 times 3 is 9. We did that in the previous problem. And rewrite everything else. Guess I don't have to. The next operation I'm going to do is multiply. So 5 times 4, or 4 times 5 is 20. The next operation I'm going to do again is multiplication. So I'll move this up here. Just rewrite 9 plus 20 minus, oops, I didn't write that in blue. 2 times 4 is 8. And then rewrite divide by 8. Next operation is division. So I have 9 plus 20 minus 8 divided by 8 is 1. I'll drop my daughter's crayon. Got another one. Next operation I'm going to do is adding. So 9 plus 20 gives me 29 minus 1, which gives us 28. We should have got 28 for number 6. And I ran out of time on this. So I did 1 through 6. Hopefully you guys